If I can't let you go, will darkness divide? For the fiction of love is the truth of our lives. We were playing for keeps, but we both knew the cost. Now the only way out in your heart-shaped box. But I hate that it seems you were never enough. We were broken and bleeding, but never gave up. And I hate that I made you the enemy. And I hate that your heart was the casualty. Now I hate that I need you. As we rest here alone, like notes on a page, the finest to compose could not play our pain. With the candle through time, I could still see your ghost, but I can't close my eyes for it. For it is there where you haunt me, where you haunt me. I hate that it seemed you were never enough. We were broken and bleeding, but never gave up. And I hope that I sing through your memory as we echo through time in the melody. Now I hate that I need you. And I hear you now when you said it hurt, but it had to fall apart to work. As I see you now in what's left of me, is it too late to create sanity? Cause I hate that it seemed you were never enough. Yeah, we're broken and bleeding in the name of love. And I hope that we meet in another life. I hope that we meet in another life. I don't hate that I need you. I don't hate that I need you. I don't hate that I need you. Voices in my head again, trapped in a war inside my own skin. They're pulling me under. I've swallowed myself, but the fever remains. I've numbed to the measure, but still feel the pain. If I showed you my soul, would you cover your eyes? If I told you the truth, would you dare me to lie? I keep it all inside because I know that man is everything but kind. Voices in my head again, beating me in a war I can't win. I can hear them now, swept in a game inside my own skin. I don't know myself anymore. They're pulling me under. Voices. As I walk through this valley of shadows and death, I curse not the wicked, I praise not the